In this Genius video, you will learn how to be specific and articulate like the Avengers with the help of two types of articles. Coming up is a short clip from the movie. Pay careful attention to the highlighted words.
It's good to meet you, Dr. Banner. Your work on anti-electron collisions is unparalleled, and I'm a huge fan of the way you lose control and turn into an enormous green rage monster.
Thanks.
Dr. Banner is only here to track the cube. I was hoping you might join him.
Let's start with that stick of his. It may be magical, but it works an awful lot like a Hydra weapon.
I don't know about that, but it is powered by the cube. And I'd like to know how Loki used it to turn two of the sharpest men I know into his personal flying monkeys.
Now, we know that the words a, an and the are called articles. For example, a girl, an umbrella, the yellow wall. Correct? In the video, we saw the following sentence. Iron Man says, I'm a huge fan of the way you lose control and turn into an enormous green monster. The articles a and an used by Iron Man are called indefinite articles, whereas the article the is called the definite article. An indefinite article can refer to any person or thing. Hence, when Iron Man says a huge fan, he means he could be any one of the many fans that the Hulk has. Similarly, when he says an enormous green monster, he refers to a general description, not a specific one. The is called the definite article because it points to a particular person or thing in a sentence. Hence, when Iron Man says the way in which you lose control, he means a very specific way. He is referring to the way in which Banner gets angry and turns into the Hulk. Thus, indefinite articles can refer to anything or person, whereas definite articles refer to something specifically. Let's solve a question. Captain America says, it may be magical, but it works like a Hydra weapon. Which type of an article does Captain America use and what does it indicate? The correct answer is B. A is an indefinite article and it indicates that it could be like any Hydra weapon, not a specific one. Very quickly, let's solve another one. State true or false. The article used in the given dialogue indicates that Nick Fury knows which cube he is talking about. The answer is true. The definite article the is used to refer to a specific person or thing. In this case, Nick Fury is talking about a specific cube, the Tesseract. Thus, we have learned how to be specific and articulate just like the Avengers with the help of the two types of articles. I hope you had fun. Look forward to meeting you again in the next video. Till then, stay tuned to Genius. Genius se padho, Genius bano.